Hello, Amy. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
Oh, yeah, it's good. The weather here in the Philippines is not good. How about you?
It's very cold.
Very cold.
Yes.
Yeah, also that's okay. So that's why Teacher Ann is extending 15 minutes for your time because outside it's very noisy. So it's not
Okay.
more. So we can have the class. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So I will share you the screen now.
Okay.
For a while. Oh, wait. We are already on unit 15.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, for a while. Wait. I need to check. To erase some of the words. So how are you today? What did you do?
I do the homework.
Yeah, it's vacation. I love your homework. Thank you for making that one. It's so good. Wow, great job, Amy.
Yes.
Oh, really? Wow, that's great, my dear. Very good. Okay, who helped you do it? Your mom?
Yes.
Hah? Inti lang siguro. Pwede siguro. For a while, Amy. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Amy, let's go. Let's get it.
Hi. Hey. Okay. Ooh.
Hindi pa kayo powder. Pilipino niya ba? Pilit ang mga kuha, visit.
Okay?
Okay.
So look at this one. So our topic now is about at our school. Okay?
Fine, di ba? Fine yung school ko. Oh, Bino.
Choose the correct words below and write them on the lines.
Ay, di ba may kinigo? Wala. Ang sa kapag anak kay 20 kilos.
You can play different kinds. You can play different kinds of this on a guitar or a piano. So this on the classroom wall, can you see this one, Amy? Okay, so you will have to pick here the answers here. Look at this one in here. You will look the answers and find here.
It's a music.
Okay, so you can play different kinds of this on a regular or piano. Okay, so the answer is music. Number one, I will ask you. Can you read number one?
This is when the classroom go and the teacher write on it.
Okay, what is your answer?
Fruit. I have fruit. Of course I can.
Okay, this is on the classroom wall and the teachers write on it.
This is a board.
You bring the board. Teacher has like that. Teacher Anne has also a board. Okay. I have also the board. I use it. Yeah, whenever I have a lesson, I have to use the board, of course. Okay.
This is my market.
Wow, what's that? It's the pen.
It's market.
Yeah, it's a marker. It's a pen marker.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a pen marker. You will use the pen marker for the board because that is whiteboard.
Yes.
Yeah, you will use that one. Okay.
Yeah.
So next, Amy, we have here. So number 1, number 2. Oh, you write something there. What did you write, Amy? Very good. Oh, wow. Oh, what a lovely kid. Okay, Amy. Okay. Okay.
Okay, 1 more second. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is my flower. I see. Yeah. And this is my teacher Anne.
Wow, thank you, Amy.
This is me. Yeah.
This is Amy. Yeah, I saw it. Amy and teacher Anne. Oh, Amy, very lovely. Oh my God, Amy girl.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, come here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so I showed me what is blackboard. It's a board. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, number 3 and number 2, I have here the answer. It's board. Number 2, these are in books and often have numbers on them at the pages at the bottom. What's the answer?
It's what is that?
Pages.
Pages.
Yeah, look up in the picture. It's pages. Okay,
Pages.
these are the pages of the book.
Okay.
This
Yeah.
one. Yeah, 1 page, 2nd page. Oh, very good, that one. That is the pages. Yes, very good. Okay, next is Amy. When you make a mistake, your pencil, you need this.
Is rubber. I have rubber. Yes.
What is that? Rubber. It's a rubber or eraser. It's a rubber or eraser. Yeah. Everyone.
Rubber.
Yeah, that's rubber. Okay. Next, number 4. Some teacher put this at the end of the correct answers in the test. What is that?
It's a check.
It's a check. Very good. Great job. Next one. Next one. We look at this to find roads and rivers and towns. We look at this. It's a map, teacher.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. That's a map. Oh, yeah. It's a map. It's a map. Okay, so do you understand this?
Yes.
Yes. Good job, Amy. Okay.
Teacher, one more second. I need drink water.
Okay, you drink water first. Okay.
Mẹ ơi, drink water.
Oh.
Mom.
Oh. Ngayon.
Hey, who is he? Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Amy. Okay, here. So here. So we have here, we will have to read a story and write word from A next to the number. Okay. So we have here. Okay. So we have here the story about Mrs. Sweet. Okay. On Tuesday morning, Amy. Okay, can you read it?
On Tuesday morning, the music teacher, Mr. Clip, come into next class and say, "Hello, every good mission for you from Miss Wheat. She like you to answer the question to some already on 66 and 67 for homework. They're about the world's longest rivals.
Okay. Look at this one. Can you read it? It's came.
Came.
I've.
I.
Message.
Message.
Very good. Longest.
Longest.
Rivers.
Rivers.
Longest.
Longest.
Okay, look at here, Amy. Longest.
Longest.
Okay. Next year, we'll have to answer this one. Okay. So look at this one. We will read a story about that. Okay. Can you read the story now about Miss Sweet? Okay. In the story, there are 6 blank that we need to answer. Okay. So can you read it? Okay.
Mr. Sweet isn't in school today. She taking on the radio about player watch and picture games in school lessons. It's very exciting.
Okay, wait for a while. Okay, wait. So look at teacher. Teacher is reading it. Miss Sweet isn't in school today. She's talking. Again, talking.
Okay.
She's talking on the radio about playing
Play
word and pictures game in school lessons. Lesson. It's
letters.
very exciting. Exciting.
Exciting.
Okay, continue now, please. Mr. Skip.
Mr. Skip to some orange book. The Eagles can help because he loves working on computer. That evening he found all the questions,
all the answers
to Miss
Sweet's questions
on his favorite
website. Okay.
Website.
Okay, now Miss Sweet.
When Miss Sweet come back to school, see about her exciting day. Then looked at everyone home. What great answer, she said. You got lot of annual crosses. We are done.
Okay, so we have here, when Miss Sweet came back to school, she blanked about her exciting day. Then looked at everyone's homework. What a great answer, she said. You've got lots of blank and no crosses. Well done. Okay. So, Miss Sweet isn't in the school today. She's talking on the radio about playing word and picture games in school lessons. It's very exciting. Mr. Skip blank to some orange books. The blank here in those can help you, or you can find answers on the internet. He said, Nick was because he loved working on computers. That evening, he found all the answers to Miss Sweet's questions on one of his favorite websites. When Miss Sweet came back to school, she blanked about her exciting day, then looked at everyone's homework. What a great answer, she said. You've got lots of blank and no crosses. Well done. Okay, so let us now see what is the correct answer for number 2.
What was it?
Number 2?
It's number 5.
No. Okay, so what's the answer for number 2, please?
One more second.
Okay. Okay, so what's the answer for number 2?
One more second.
The answer for number 2 is what?
Second. The music music teach
Okay, what's that? What's the answer for number 2?
the music teacher. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
music. Okay, next. Number 1. What's number 1?
Number 1 is number 1 is
It's
I don't know.
pages. For number 1, it's pages. Okay. Number 1, okay. You look at the paper there. Number 1 is pages.
Pages.
Pages. Next.
Pages.
Number 3, what's the answer for number 2? Sorry, the answer for number 2. Unit 15, the answer for number 2.
Number 2 is
Okay, the answer for number 2 is pointed. Mr. Skip pointed to some orange book. Pointed. Okay, that's number 2. Okay, number 3. Okay, look at number 3. The blank in those can help you. The maps. The maps, yeah, in those can help you. Okay, or you can find answer on the internet. Nick was happy because he loved working on computers. That evening, he found all the answers to Miss Sweet's questions on one of his favorite websites. Okay. When Miss Sweet came back to school, she talked about her exciting day. She talked about her exciting day. Then look at everyone's homework. What a great answer, she said. You've got a lot of checks and no crosses. Okay? So Miss Sweet is very happy, a happy teacher. Okay? So I have here questions. Okay, I will erase first. Okay, now, Amy, I will ask you some questions.
Second.
Okay, number 1. Which day of the week was it? Which day? It is? Which day of the week is it? It is? It is?
One more second. Is Tuesday.
Tuesday, teacher. Very good. Number 2. Who was Mr. Skip? Who was Mr. Skip?
It
Who was Mr. Skip?
Music. Music. Music.
Mr. Skip was music
No.
teacher. Yes. Where was Nick? Where was Nick?
In his class.
Okay. Okay, in his classroom. Very good. Who was the message? Who was the message from?
Miss. Miss Sweet.
Yeah, who was the message from?
Miss Sweet.
Okay, Miss Sweet. Number 5. What were the homework questions about? What were the homework questions about?
One more second.
What were the homework questions about? It's about?
One more second. I think homework.
Okay. 1 second.
Okay.
Okay, teacher. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, next.
In the longer river.
In the longest river. Longest river.
Longest river the world. Yeah.
It's in the longest river. It's in the longest river. Yeah, longest river. Okay. It's in the longest river. Okay. Next one here. So we have here. Okay. Next question, number 6.
Number 6. What did Miss Sweet talk about?
What did Miss Sweet talk about? What?
Playing word and picture games.
Okay, playing word and picture games, teacher Anne. Playing word and pictures games. Yes, next. 7. Where did Nick find the homework answers? Where?
On the internet.
On the internet. Longest. Rivers. Very good. Good job, my dear. Okay. Where did Nick find the homework again? Amen. Where?
On the internet.
Yeah, very good. Okay, number 8, teacher. Wait. Where is next answer? Where Nick answer correct? Is it correct?
Is
Where Nick answer correct?
Okay, I will say yes.
Okay. Yes. Okay. It's yes, teacher. Next. Wow, that's all for number under 8 only. We already answered this one. Okay. So here, what do you think is the best title of the story? What do you think is the best name of the story? What do you think is the best name of the story?
One more second.
Okay.
Next is Class get.
Okay, what's this? What's the best name? It is Miss Sweet buys a new radio. Next class get all the right answers. Or Mr. Skip exciting music lesson.
All the right. Right. Oh. Right. Answer.
Okay, what's the best name of the story? Give me the title. Miss Sweet buys a new radio. Next class get all the right answers. Mr. Skip exciting lesson.
Next class get all the right answer.
Okay, very good. Yay, good job. Okay, so here, now Amy. Okay, so say and write on the board sentences about things you're doing at school. Okay, like example, I like teaching new things to my class. Second, my favorite lesson is painting. Next, I enjoy reading stories to my classes. Again, I like teaching new things to my class. Next, my favorite lesson is painting. And I enjoy reading stories to my classes. Okay, that's it. Okay, so these are the things that you're doing at school. So you like new things to your class, like you will paint, you will write something, and then your favorite lesson is painting. Do you know how to paint?
Yes.
Okay, very good. That's good to hear that you know how to paint. Okay, so how about here? Okay, now Amy, you listen and draw the lines, okay?
Okay.
C. At our school. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Is this your class?
Yes, that's my friend Tony. He's wearing a red t-shirt today.
Is he holding a book?
Yes, he loves reading.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
Can you see Jack? He's drawing on the board.
Which boy is he?
He's drawing a camera and he's got jeans on.
Oh, yes. I can see him now.
2.
Look at Alex.
Where's she?
She's sitting at the table.
Is she wearing a blue sweater?
Yes, and a gray skirt. She's a really good friend.
3.
Who's that boy?
Which one?
The boy with the black trousers.
That's Paul. He's taking photos of the boys. Can you see?
Oh, yes.
4.
And who do you sit next to in class?
Daisy.
Is she the one on the computer?
No, that's not her. She's playing the guitar.
Oh, yes. I can see her. I love her glasses.
5.
Do you know Fred?
Is he the blonde boy at the back of the classroom?
No. He's looking at the train on the wall.
Oh, yes. I can see him now.
Okay?
Okay.
So let's have here. Thank. Where is John?
Okay. John. Not John. It's Jack. Jack is grab the boat.
Okay. Next is
Is is that two is great. He is grab piano.
okay. How about Alex?
Alex is next to the tree.
Okay, take pictures to the girl here. Okay. How about Paul? Okay. Alex is here. This is Alex, the girl in the blue. But Paul is the one who take pictures, right? Paul is the one who take pictures. But Alex is the girl in blue, right? Next.
Is Daisy.
Daisy, where is Daisy?
Daisy is play guitar.
Okay. Daisy is the one who play guitar like
I
that.
have a guitar.
Oh yeah.
In
Tang 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 tang.
Yeah.
Tang 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 tang.
Okay.
Okay. Next. After this, what's next?
Is
Where is Fred?
Fred is he see a picture train.
Okay. Fred is the one who see the picture. Okay. Okay. Number 1. The boy in the green t-shirt is reading a book. Okay. This one?
Yeah.
No. The boy in the green t-shirt is not green. It's color red, right? The t-shirt of the boy reading a book is not green. It's red. Number 2. Both of the boys who are drawing on the board have got white shoes. Do they have white shoes?
Yes.
Oh. No. The other one, there is red. Look at Amy. There's red with the other one. Not a white all. Okay, 3. 2 boys are wearing yellow t-shirts. 2 of the boys, okay, correct. 4. The computer mouse and keyboards are on the desk. The computer mouse and the table are on the desk. Yes.
Yes.
Next, the picture of the train is above one boy head. Look at this one. Yes, because Fred do like that. And the last one, you can see a book that is closed on the floor. Correct? Yes or no?
No.
Yeah, no teacher because it's on the table. It's not on the floor. Okay? Do you understand, Amy? Do you understand?
Okay.
Yay, good job. Okay, Amy. So we are going to finish this one next meeting. We will have our class on, wait. Do we have class tomorrow?
Yes.
No. Yeah, we have class. Wait for a while. I will check. Yeah, you will have a class with me tomorrow at 6 or at, sorry. Oh, you don't have class to me tomorrow? You will have a class again on, wait, on Wednesday. Okay. But teacher Ann is not around on Wednesday. So we will see each other after Christmas. You don't have class with me? Okay, wait for a while. Oh, they will check any. You will have a class on Tuesday. Tuesday? Yeah, you will have a class 6 p.m.
Because I go study in her teacher.
Oh, okay. I will double check your mom about this Tuesday, 6 p.m. Tuesday, this coming Tuesday. This Tuesday, 6 p.m. I will check your mom about this, okay? I will tell your mom, I will ask, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Amy. So tomorrow we don't have class, okay? So I will check your mom on Tuesday if you have the class, okay, Amy?
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye, Amy girl.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, see
Goodbye,
ya.
teacher. See you next tomorrow.
Yeah, not good night. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, you eat your lunch now. Eat your lunch.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Gusto mo pa tayo.